Have you ever thought about taking the map out of the book and putting it into the hands of your students? Would your students rather work alone to fill out a worksheet or collaborate with each other to create an interactive story? If so, consider myHistro, a free web-based application that allows anyone to create informative, interactive timelines coupled with real maps to tell the story of an event, idea, person, or movement. A digital storytelling approach that uses a web application like myHistro can be built on collaboratively, thereby adding to the collective intellect of the class. Not only can students create timelines that match up events and people with locations around the globe, but they can also share and present their timelines with others. With myHistro, you can harness the power and pull of social media to share projects within and between classes, collect comments and feedback in real time, and allow students to make edits and changes as needed and suggested by their peers. An authentic learning community full of students who share, study, follow, question, synthesize, and modify their learning and understanding of complex issues is just a click away. While many may initially see myHistro as purely a tool for social studies, its applications are far-reaching and cross-curricular. Use myHistro to tell the story of an author, track the evolution of an artistic movement, or explore important scientific and mathematical discoveries. With its emphasis on multimedia content and user-driven commentary and sharing, myHistro addresses a number of standards for the 21st century learner, including those on participating in and creating responsive learning communities, using social media ethically and in a way that promotes personal growth, strengthening independent research skills, and organizing information to allow for and showcase analysis, evaluation, and creation of knowledge. Additionally, student projects created with myHistro address areas across the Common Core. Students can create inquiry questions, gather information, and synthesize what they find from multiple sources in order to build their timelines. As they begin building, creating, and revising their timelines, they actively learn how to introduce a topic and organize information. They develop the topic through the use of concrete and carefully selected details in a way that enhances their understanding and creates interest for the audience. Best of all, myHistro allows for both formative and summative assessment. Using the application's follow and comment features, you can check in on students' progress and leave real-time feedback. Project scoring criteria can include categories for planning and revision, as well as selection of facts or details, visual literacy components like clarity of details and appropriate map level selection, as well as content scores for relevance, clear connections, and thematic structure. myHistro puts learning and creativity into the hands of your students and challenges them to not only dig deeper into learning content in order to extract meaning, but also to create a product that reflects their abilities to discriminate information, receive and respond to constructive criticism, and modify, arrange, and present their learning in a way that is responsive, objective, and participatory, instead of just reciting facts or filling in blanks on a template. Put together, the affective and cognitive skill sets required and enhanced through the use of myHistro equal a way to strengthen student performance across both your curriculum and our school. The American Association of School Librarians recently named myHistro to their list of top websites for teaching and learning. To get started with myHistro in your classroom, collaborate on lesson plans or assessments, and explore additional features this tool has to offer, stop by the library anytime. And be sure to watch your email for a text user's guide on myHistro basics as well. I look forward to working with you.